Hello basketball coaches and basketball players, my name is Alan from Al's Basketball Training, and today we are going to show you the 1-1-3 half-court zone defense. So, hello everyone, my name is Alan. If you're new to this channel, on this channel I show you basketball plays, drills, and skills. So if you like that stuff, hit that like button and subscribe. Anyways, today we are going to show you the 1-1-3 zone defense. So let's get down to the clipboard and let's check this thing out. So on the 1-1-3 defense, what we're going to have is one player up top guarding this zone, player in the middle guarding this zone. And then we're going to have three players guarding the bottom. So this is obviously bottom heavy. The whole idea behind this is because the 1-1-3 defense protects against one thing that is very, well, let's call it lucrative for the offense, and it exploits that. So what I mean by that is a lot of teams will try to do a high-low pass, either one side or the other, in the middle, something like that, to exploit the zone defense. So if it was a 2-3 zone, you can get the ball to the middle, which will bring up that middle defender to guard him, and then you can pass to the bottom. Well, with this defense, it stops that high-low pass. So that's very good. Now, if this player passes to a player out on this wing, what needs to happen is this free throw line defender needs to pop up, and this guy needs to pop back down. And front face or guard behind, I would always say front face though, that man or anyone on that free throw line. He needs to be still within a couple of arms length of player 2 red so that he can still defend that player. So this is essentially a defense that will look like a 2-3 zone. However, it is guarding that high post. Now let's run an offense against it to see what happens. So let's run that high-low motion offense. So player 2 has that ball. He's going to pass over to player 3. And at this time, player 2 blue has to go out and defend player 3. And then player 1 blue is going to come down to that high post. And now at the same time, what you could have happen is player 5 could be guarding player 4, front facing him or guarding him behind, and this could be a double team over in this section. This is a very good defense to double team on the wings and guard against that high-low pass in that high post. It is very similar to my 1-4 defense that will double team anything below that free throw line. Very similar, but still different. What I mean by that is there's no double teams in the low post on this defense, while with mine there is, and I allow 0 openings to players on the weak side, just for covering the exit points for that basketball. Or at least what I call the exit points for that basketball. Obviously, you can find that defense book in the link in the description. However, today we are talking about this 1-1-3 defense. From that point though, if that ball does get into that low post, we will have player 3, he could double team that post. However, that's leaving this wing wide open for player 3 to pop back down. So he may need to stay in between, still pressuring that low post player, but not necessarily double teaming him, because he could just pass out for an open 3, and you don't want that. From that stance though, this is a very good defense to protect against that high-low pass. Now, if you have never seen this defense before, I would suggest trying it with your team. Mine and the 1-1-3, both of them are very good zone defenses that every team must have in their playbook. Anyways, I hope that you have enjoyed. Leave a like and comment below, and I will see you guys next time because I post these videos every single day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I got together with a trainer a few years ago, and this book absolutely works. There's tons of testimonials showing that either the player has lost weight or they have jumped huge amounts higher. So it's very inexpensive. Go check it out. Link is in the description below. Hello, so if you have liked this video, click over here to subscribe, or maybe over here, depending on which side I put it on. I don't know yet. Anyways, also, the opposite direction, or the opposite side, is another video you may like. So I hope to see you again in one of those next videos. Yeah.